You have no savings, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you what to do so that you'll be able to cash. The importance of savings cannot be overemphasized. You need your savings to sort you out, maybe emergencies, or maybe you are out of job. Your saving is there to sustain you from the time being. And then also you need your savings to have that excitement, an excitement that comes when you know, okay, I have the amounts of money I'm looking forward to cash out at the end of the year, or maybe at the end of 2 years, how long you have set your saving goal. There's that excitement that you have. Okay, I have some amount of money set aside for my enjoyment, or maybe for any project that I have in mind to do. You guys, there are different reasons why people don't have savings. One, probably they have not yet known the importance of savings, or maybe they had an emergency, or maybe they have set up a business and then their savings are gone. Number one tip that I will give you for you to be able to cash up when it comes to your saving is take ownership. You ask yourself, okay, what led to this situation that I'm in now? Why am I in this situation? Why is it that I don't have saving? Maybe I had an emergency, or maybe I'm yet to discover the reason why I need to save. Maybe I'm living a lifestyle that is above my income. I'm living a lifestyle that is above what I'm getting. There are different reasons why people don't have savings. So first of all, ask yourself, why is it that I don't have this? And then the next thing that you should do is that you should track your expenses. I always say, write down your expenses. It could be every weekend, it could be every week, or maybe every month, or maybe every day. Write down your expenses, write down how much you have spent on transport, write down how much you have spent on food, write down your expenses. All these things will help you to know where your money is actually going. And then at the end of the day, you will say that, oh, I shouldn't have done that. I shouldn't have done this. I should have done this like this. Always write down your expenses. It is very important. You cannot fix what you are not facing. So fix your expenses well so that you're able to fix that issue of saving. Then the next one is create a saving goal. Let it be realistic. Don't give yourself that pressure. If you have not saved 1,000 naira out of 10,000 naira, I'm telling you, you cannot save 10,000 naira out of 100,000 naira. So start from somewhere, start small. Stop telling yourself, okay, I need to save 1 million in a year, when you know that you have not even saved 10,000 naira in a year. So create a realistic goal, stick to that goal, and also work towards it. It could be as little as 100 naira per day, it could be as little as 1,000 naira per month. Just stick to that, start from somewhere. As time goes on, that little money that you're setting aside becomes a mighty ocean. And normally, I prefer using online apps when it comes to saving, because they will help you to automate your saving also. And then also, one important thing with the online app is that it doesn't come with all the charges, all the ATM card fees, maintenance fee, and all that what you see with your normal traditional banks. So you can make use of the online apps like the Cowrywise. I always say it, yeah, I've made use of Cowrywise and their services is top notch. But right now I'm using the Rent Money Microfinance now. So you can make use of Cowrywise, you can make use of Piggyvest, anyone at all. They will help you to achieve your goals. So the next one is earn extra income. Extra income will also help you to save. Do you know how to braid hair? Fine. Do you know how to write? It's okay. So earn something aside from what you are doing already. Even if you own a business, there's something that you can also do in addition to your business. So earn something aside from your business. Have something aside from your business. Have something aside from your 9 to 5. It will help you to achieve a good saving. So having no saving is not the end of the world, but doing nothing about it, that is the real problem. So today, what we will do is face your spending. Take ownership of your spending, start small, cut costs, earn extra income, and automate your savings. You owe it all to yourself. This is Finance with me. Till I see you in my next video.